What up, Adam Productions. So welcome to another video of how to make a water bottle as a water fountain. So what to do, I need to poke this. I need to poke this part. So I need to poke this part. So here's a water bottle. Here's a water bottle. There we go. You saw that? Okay. Water bottle. And what to do, put the straw in there. Okay. Then it drips. Then after that, oh shit, crap, water's playing over there. And after that, it drips. Yep. So like, this is how you make your own water fountain, a water bottle as your water fountain. That's how you make it. Like, sometimes you need to put more, it goes into water, and some water came, though. Thank you very much. At least I got some water, so it's alright. Sorry it's about wetness, but it's okay. But I was just showing you guys how to, make your own water bottle as a fountain. So yeah, sometimes if it's not coming out, you need to hold it a little bit more to put in your cup, and sometimes it goes normal. So yeah, so that's how you make your own water bottle as a water fountain. So like the video and subscribe and have a good night. Bye guys.